Today I'm going to show you how to make a vision board with ChatGPT completely for free, beautiful, and just 3 minutes. That's all it takes. Maximum 3 minutes, and ChatGPT will create your beautiful vision board perfectly as per your affirmations. Ready? Let's go. Those of you who are meeting me for the first time today, my name is Mitesh Khatri. I and my wife Indu Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Let's learn how to make a vision board with ChatGPT. For this, you need to use the latest version of ChatGPT, which is called as ChatGPT 4. Yeah, it includes ChatGPT 4.0 that includes DAL-E, which is an image creator. You don't need to know what it is. You just need to use the latest version of ChatGPT. If you're in the trial version, it will still work for you. But after 3 or 4 trials, you'll need to go to the paid version to get this feature working for you more in detail. So let's go. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to type this message which I'm telling you right now. And you can use the same prompt. I'll give you the prompt in the description also below. A prompt is just a message that you're giving to ChatGPT as a command. So I'm giving a command to ChatGPT right now saying, hey ChatGPT, make me a vision board picture with these affirmations. And I've already copy pasted my affirmations, so I'm just gonna paste it over here. Okay, so my affirmation for health, I've written very simple as an example for you. I've lost 5 kgs and now I'm at my ideal body weight of 62 kgs. I'm happily married and living an amazing life with my life partner now, full of love and happiness. Third, I have attracted my dream job and I'm very happy with my new role and my new salary. And I have already saved 5 lakhs in my bank account and feeling secured and very, very rich every single day. So I've just added these affirmations in the chat GPT and now I'm saying 1, 2, 3, enter. And now the image is gonna come in about 5 seconds. Let's wait for it. I'm super excited what it will show. Come on, chat GPT, let's go, let's go. It's ready. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. It actually shows I have already lost 5 kgs. It shows my ideal body weight on the weighing scale. Can you believe it? I didn't have to do any photo editing. It shows the weighing scale of exactly 62 kgs. And it shows I've already saved my bank account with 5 lakhs. Wow. And it shows that expression of wow. See, no editing, nothing required. Now, some of you will think, but Mitesh, these are not exactly my pictures. Are Baba, it's better than not having any vision board. At least have a beautiful image vision board created by ChatGPT for you. बाद में जहां इसका फोटो लगा हुआ है अपना पिक्चर ले जाके चिपका देना उसके ऊपर क्या फर्क पड़ता है लाइक राइट नाउ देयर इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट व्हिच शोज आई एम ऑलरेडी हैप्पीली मैरिड एंड देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल कपल ओवर देयर टेक अ स्मॉल पिक्चर ऑफ योर्स विद यू एंड योर पार्टनर चिपका दो उसके ऊपर इफ यू हैव नॉट अट्रैक्टेड योर पार्टनर येट देन इफ यू आर अ बॉय जो लड़की वाला साइड है उसके ऊपर उसका वो इमेज रहने दो और अब लड़के वाले साइड में अपना पिक्चर चिपका दो point is use karna to chalu karo in 3 minutes maximum. No, it didn't even take 3 minutes, actually just took 1 minute, and I can modify this even more. Example, let's say I'm changing the affirmation a little bit and I'm saying add a image in this where I am on a honeymoon with my partner in Switzerland. Enter mare. Here we go. देखिए क्या बनाता है. It's making again. Tick, 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 tick. Come on, ChatGPT, give me the same image back again with Switzerland and me having a honeymoon on it. I mean, yeah, I'm already happily married. I've been happily married for 20 years now, but so what? I can go for a honeymoon again. To Switzerland, शायद मैं नहीं जाऊंगा because Indu's already been there 3 times. I'm just doing time pass conversation with you while that is. Oh, wow, the image is made. And man, this is so beautiful. There is actually a picture of me and my partner. In this case, it's a different picture of a couple. Now you can keep editing this image. Example, edit this image to show that I have abs. Vision board बनाने में क्या जा रहा है? Chat GPT को बोलो बना के दे रहा है. So it is editing again and the same image with a little more variation comes. Every time you edit, थोड़ा अलग बनता है, थोड़ा और मजा आता है. So you can take the earlier images, you can take the new images and combine it if you want to. So let's go. Come on, Chat GPT. Quickly, कैसा लगूंगा मैं एब्स बनाने के बाद में. Now question is, do you really want to make abs? I don't want to. Oh damn, but मेरे abs तो बन गए. Can you believe it? I'm looking gorgeous in this. No, gorgeous is not the right word. Handsome. Whoa, this is a handsome Hulk. बाल भी आ गए यार. Can you believe? कितने सारे बाल दिख रहे हैं. This is truly amazing. I love this chat gpt thing. Are you going to use chat gpt today to make your vision board, and share with me in the comment section that you made your vision board and you displayed it at minimum 10 places in your house? I always tell people, take a color printout of your vision board and minimum display it in 10 places in your house. Your bathroom, your kitchen, your wardrobe, your dressing table, your cupboard. कबर्ड खोला, सामने विजन बोर्ड दिखना चाहिए. ऑफिस में आए, सामने विजन बोर्ड दिखना चाहिए. लैपटॉप खोला, उसके ऊपर विजन बोर्ड दिखना चाहिए. Keep it everywhere so that these images are part of your subconscious mind and you are going to attract it after that. Is that a beautiful technique? Very simple way to make your vision board today with your perfect affirmations. If yes, use ChatGPT and tell me how did you feel. And hey, you want to learn more such amazing things about law of attraction techniques? Hit subscribe to this channel right now and hit the bell icon. The moment you do that, now you'll be able to see more videos on my channel, because then YouTube will keep showing you more of my videos the moment you hit the subscribe button right now. Hit also the like button and share this video with 3 of your friends who want to make a vision board, but they've been struggling with images. All they have to do is go to ChatGPT, give the prompts, give the affirmations, and your vision board is ready. If you want to create affirmations which are ready made, I want to give you a bonus gift. There's a link below this video where you'll see a bonus link where you can download a ready made vision board created by me, ready made affirmations created by me for all 4 areas of life. Not just that, I'm giving you 3 videos free on learning how to make the perfect affirmations. And the best part is, all of this is ready for you to download right now. Click on the link below, register quickly, get all these downloads, and remember to create this beautiful vision board like this and share it with me if you can on contact@miteshkhatri.com. When you achieve all your goals, मिठाई जरूर भेजना. See you soon in the next video. Bye.